Action. Maybe we should do something together to talk.
Something good or something bad?
You take good, I'll take bad.
I want bad.
Well, go for it. Heads I win, tails you lose.
Deal. I will call it half. No, wait, tails. No, wait, tails. Hey, that's not fair! What's your problem? It's my birthday.
I know,
But what?
but she's not really your friend. It's all a big lie.
I only call her my friend to make you jealous to get your attention. You don't want me here anymore.
No, that's not it at all, pal.
Huh?
You just have to go away for a little while.
I don't know what I'm going away for.
I don't want to lie to you. I don't think that we'll be seeing each other anymore. I screwed up. I'm so sorry. It's not your fault, though, okay? I'm the idiot.
I don't want to.
Great, thank you. All right, action.
Maybe we should go home.
Fine.
I'm not wearing my lucky underwear.
You don't have lucky underwear.
Well, maybe we should get some back into another race.
A77. Okay, ready? Action.
I need it. Give it back.
No, you can't make me.
Yes, I can. You can give it back, or else my mom will come in and you'll be in trouble.
Go ahead. I won't get in trouble. We both know I'm your favorite.
That's not true.
Oh, yeah? Prove it. Action.
My dog can do a magic trick. He is Labrador.
Action.
Where were you today at school? I didn't see you today or yesterday. Were you sick? If you were sick, then I could bring you soup or just go home. Don't cry. What happened to you? You can tell me anything you want. When are you moving? Tuesday next Monday? 5 days. Can you tell your mom and dad that you like here? You're my best friend and I'm your best friend. We won't have any friends if you leave. You can't go. I miss you so much. Brush, with Colgate Kids 3 times a day. It's easy to take care about your teeth. With great tasty toothpaste, get Colgate for kids. I like it.